EZWrite Cloud Whiteboarding makes teaching a breeze. With EZWrite, you can open lesson materials in your computer and edit them before class. You can also use the built-in ruler, compass, and protractor to draw shapes and measure angles. Open other software to copy and paste selected content onto the board, or take a screenshot and paste it directly. EZWrite makes creating lessons more efficient and convenient. Once you're done, you can share the lesson materials to help students prepare before class. In class, you can load files from your cloud storage or USB drive on the interactive display. With comprehensive pen tools and handwriting and shape recognition, expanding your lesson is easier than ever. Want more? EZWrite is packed with a wide range of classroom tools. Use a camera to display physical items on the board. Use the toolbox to split the board for competitions, keep score and time, add sticky notes, and more. The scalable canvas ensures that creativity never stops. Don't let learning stop when the class ends. Save and share the lesson with just one click to give students access after the class. BenQ EZWrite, learning without boundaries.